Keeping Kali Linux up to date is essential for security and performance, but inside WSL2, the wrong update commands can cause broken packages or dependency errors. In this video, I'll show you the correct way to update and upgrade Kali in WSL2 cleanly, safely, and without breaking your system. We'll be using only the recommended Kali package commands and avoiding the common pitfalls that cause trouble in a WSL2 environment. Start by opening your Kali Linux terminal in WSL2. You can do this from the Windows Terminal dropdown or by searching Kali in the Start menu. First, we run apt update to refresh the package index. This tells Kali what new versions are available in the repositories, but it doesn't actually install anything yet. In a normal Linux machine, you might use either upgrade or dist upgrade. In Kali, especially inside WSL2, the safest method is a full upgrade. This applies all updates and handles package changes automatically. This installs all new updates, replaces outdated packages, and ensures dependencies are resolved. The Y flag automatically answers yes to prompts. Next, we remove packages that are no longer needed. This frees up disk space and keeps your WSL2 instance lean. Use this command for doing the same. Cleaning the package cache ensures no leftover files are wasting space in your WSL2 environment. Use this command to achieve the same. If any errors occur, they're usually due to broken packages. To fix this, run this command. This command will repair missing dependencies or half-installed packages. Avoid upgrading with non-standard commands like apt dist upgrade from other distros, and never mix repositories unless you know exactly what you're doing. It's one of the fastest ways to break Kali in WSL2. That's all there is to it. Your Kali Linux in WSL2 is now fully updated and ready to go, without the risk of broken packages. Keep this routine in mind, and your system will stay secure, fast, and clean. If you found this helpful, check out my other WSL2 Kali Linux tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.